The trade that I like the look of it. I've actually entered it up here, and you know, my entries are normally alright, give or take a bit of wiggle room. But it's quite a nice structure from what you can see on the Euro JPY. Well, I mean, the shortcut to all of it is just have a look at the fibs, how they're looking at the minute. But 78%. We're not going to measure the exact spike because that's the stops. So what we can see is we've gone through 78% level when we triggered the stops, but it's all about the structure on the way up. You can see, well, I can see, whether you can see I'm not sure, but the rule book I use is I'm always looking for, when markets are trending, looking for two clear consolidation zones in any given trend with 3 price impulses in between, so 1, 2, 3. And this has occurred, as you can see, over 3 days. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm expecting here is for price to come down here, get some sort of a retest where I'll take another position and see it pull away. That's on the 30-minute chart. The bigger term picture for it is, as mentioned before, the May to September highs. We've got not clearly identifiable, but they are to me because I know the rules of the system. Consolidation, shoulder, head, shoulder, pull away, break the structure here. This is another, essentially a consolidation one, I'm calling it. So I'm expecting price to come back quite a long way, and this is the lower high, effectively, that I am looking for here. So high, high, low, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, so on and so forth. We'll see how this goes. Hi guys, just coming back to this one here. As you can see, the price has gone a bit higher, down 13 pips. That's fine. This is probably a couple of hours on, but we are expecting price to come all the way down here in a similar fashion, and yeah, just some added labelling, high, 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 low structures, simple traps, false moves, 1, 2, 3 to a high. Still expect this to do this kind of thing. We'll be looking to add another position, and I do like playing around with the tops. But you won't see this higher tomorrow. So yeah, let's keep an eye. Yeah, back to this trade again. Another few hours on. Not much going on, but we are starting to make that high, lower high. Sorry, move back here, retest. Much like this line, you should start seeing it accelerate. Hopefully pretty soon. Been a bit of a slow one, but that's trading for you, and you're trading with a pounder point at the minute. But what I'm seeing here, this is a great sign, this particular candle. This candle, it's engulfed this entire pullback. So, if we saw this little red circle candle as it is now, I would close on the half an hour. I'd add a short here, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. Back to this annoying trade, as they all are. So nothing's really changed. It's just sort of playing out how you want to see it back to the entry, pretty much, plus the spread. We shall see. 5 and a 13 EMA. We've crossed here. Yeah, that's your first sort of sign. This looking at detail. This is an engulfing thing. Engulfing candles, engulf the pullback, candle closed away, that's your entry there. Ideally, if you're patient, which I obviously wasn't patient enough, typically we see stops hunted above here. So we're probably going to see it come back, probably test this little zone. So I'm just going to update my sort of guide. Yeah, so